So, in regards to coffee cups versus ice cream cups. So ice cream cups tend to have a very narrow base to them, whereas coffee cups are a little bit thicker. So we're going to go with a thick stem on this one. So I'm just going to press 1 on the side so you guys can see this. So we can see that we've got the inside on this point, and then we've got the outside on this point. So we're going to select this face again. E for extrude, scale inwards, and we're remembering that thick kind of neck that we've got. So E, scale inwards slightly, and then E again, and then at this point we want to start going outwards for the cup. So ice cream cone cups, they tend to be a lot thinner at the bottom so that you can get syrup in the bottom, but with the coffee cups that are made out of glass, they tend to have a more wider base after the stem. So E for extrude again, scale outwards, E for extrude, scale outwards, E for extrude, scale outwards, you know the deal by now, and then E for extrude, scale outwards. Now at this point I need to instruct perhaps that you don't pass the bottom of the glass, because normally the top part of the glass wouldn't be taller or wider than the bottom part of the glass because it would become unstable. So make sure that you don't pass this bottom part here. Scale that downwards just a little bit. You go E for extrude, just perhaps a little bit out, but don't pass that line. E for extrude again, just move that down for you. Excuse me. Then we're going to get E for extrude, and roughly that should be about the size of it. Now we're going to make the lip the top part so that this isn't just a right angle thing. So E for extrude, scale it inwards slightly, E for extrude again, scale inwards, E for extrude, scale inwards again, and then we're going to go E for extrude, scale inwards, but we're going to go down. So G, down. So now you can't really see the inside of the glass here. I don't think you can. Maybe that would work. Right. So now we're going to go down on the inside of the glass. Now, coffee cup glasses tend to be very thick. So I'm just going